Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send timed emails on Gmail. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up the browser and then in the search bar, search for gmail.com. Once you search for it, you will land in this kind of interface. So you have to sign in to your account. Once signed in, let's go ahead and simply tap on this compose button. Now enter the email address you want to send your message to, then add your subject. Also type in the body of the email. Once everything is ready, we can schedule it. At the very bottom, you will be able to find send button. Right next to it, you'll see a drop down arrow. Tap on that arrow and then tap on schedule send. Just like that, a window will pop up. Pick date and time and choose exactly when you want your email to be sent. And just like that, your email is now scheduled. You'll see it appear on the schedule tab. And if you view the message, you will see the date and the time it will be sent. That's it. That is how easy it is to send timed email on Gmail. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next video.